Hello traders, hello investors, how are you guys doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. Today, let's talk about NIO because NIO is looking quite good, it's looking quite interesting to me. It is one of the most interesting stocks in the electric vehicle sector in my humble opinion. It has a very nice risk-reward ratio right now, so let's talk about that in this video. Just first remember, my dear friends, click on the like button to support this channel. If you are new around here, consider subscribing because I'm here every single day to update you guys on Tesla, NIO, Apple, Nvidia, and many other stocks, alright? So probably you will find something useful to you in this channel. Now, before we talk about NIO, it is important to tell that the S&P is still in a bear trend. However, it is really trying to reverse. I love the fact we did hold at the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement, and right now we are bouncing back up. The tech index, the Nasdaq index, did a similar movement by breaking 11.7K, right? By breaking this double top chart pattern resistance, I do believe we are gonna finally fly again. How NIO would perform in this scenario? I think right now, just like the indices found their support levels at their retracements, I think NIO is trying to find a support level around the $20 area. This black line, which did work as a resistance in the past, now is working as a support 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times today. And we are doing a very long shadow under the candlestick's body. This is quite good. Today's candlestick pattern is a hammer candlestick pattern, just at a support level. I like that kind of scenario. In addition to that, NIO is dropping over here. Since this candle, right, we started dropping to the previous support level, but the volume is very low, indicating we are not dropping because investors are aggressively selling NIO because NIO is a shitty company and we're gonna drop to lower levels. No, it feels like it's losing strength because the lack of buyers right now. People are just cautious. People are just anxious about the market. So it's dropping with low volume. Now, if you wanna buy NIO right now, let's say you believe NIO is a terrible company and you think it's gonna drop to lower levels. You should wait for a crystal clear breakout of this support. Okay, if this happens, I do believe that we could retest $15.86. On the other hand, if you wanna buy NIO, keep in mind, you have a high risk, high reward situation. If you buy NIO right now without the confirmation of this hammer, without the confirmation of any breakout, you gotta set a stop loss very tight under the previous support level, under today's low. Alright, and what would be your target? If you are a cautious person, your target is $24, okay? Let's say your target is $24 area. Why? Because this point is a crystal clear resistance for NIO, which did work 2 times in the recent past, okay? It did work over here, and it did work over here as well. Okay, so you can't assume you're gonna break the $24. Either way, risk-reward ratio 4.1. That's a very high risk-reward ratio. If you're gonna do trades like this consistently, after 100 trades, even if you lose 70% of the time, you will still be a consistent, profitable trader in the end. Okay, so that kind of situation makes sense to me, alright? But if we do break the $24, where NIO could go? I mean, if we're to break $24, the S&P, the Nasdaq, they all should break their resistances as well. Okay, in that case, in that scenario, I think we're gonna at least not only hit this resistance at 26, but we're gonna fill the gap around 27. That's where I believe NIO will be in the next few weeks, especially if we break the $24, okay? That's the most important key point for us. In the weekly chart, we see that NIO did what seems to be a V-shaped recovery by reacting right now and breaking the $24. We're gonna trigger a bullish pivot point. We're gonna do a higher low and a higher high for the first time since 2021 roughly. Okay, so this is going to be something new. This is going to be a very good indicator for NIO. I am quite optimistic with it. Of course, personally speaking, I would wait for the breakout of the $24, but still, NIO is making plenty of sense right now. Other stocks in the sector are quite close of breaking their resistance or their resistances as well, like Rivian, which has this red line as a previous support level and right now is working as a very strong resistance for Rivian. If we break this red line at $33, I see Rivian at $56 next. Lucid, if we break $20.69, this purple line, which is working as a resistance for Lucid, I think we're gonna go up to $27.25. So many stocks are doing similar movements. I really like the momentum we see on the electric vehicle stocks. I really like how the market is doing. If we do reverse, I see phenomenal, brutal gains on all of these stocks. We just gotta wait for the right patterns and please use the right risk management, okay? Of course, this is not necessarily an investment advice. I'm not an investment advisor. I'm just a retail trader like everybody else over here who shares his opinions in this channel, in this humble channel on YouTube, okay? So either way, I will keep you guys updated every single day. So seriously, remember to subscribe and click on the like button. If you're still watching this video, you probably like it, the content, right? So it is a good idea to subscribe and to support me. After all, it is for free. Okay? Thank you very much. See you guys next week. Stay safe. Have a nice weekend.